Hello guys, and welcome to H&A Productions. HMC and the name is Andrew, and today we'll be reviewing a toy. And today's toy, Dr. Sonic Screwdriver Mark 9. I've already opened it because I can the batteries, as you can see, batteries, yeah. They do support you with batteries here, as you can see in the case. This fits perfectly when it's up like that and down, so it just fit in there, but it's actually meant to be fit like that, and then like that. You fit it like that. And then here, and here have holes for the batteries. So, and the batteries are included. But first, let's look at the packaging itself. In the packaging, it gives you a nice. Wait, if I just put this in here to show you. In the packaging, it gives you a nice view of what's in, like what toy it is. Imagine this is there. It gives you a nice view what the toy is in there. Then you got the BBC logo at the top. Don't think you can see it, but it says light sound effects here. And there you go. Spring-loaded extension action. There. It's got nice big here. Doctor Who logo. And it says 11th Doctor Sonic Screwdriver at the bottom there. And round the back we've got some legal garb and instructions on how to install the batteries. Even though they give you instructions inside. Yeah, let's crack it open. Already opened it, but yeah, Sonic Screwdriver itself. Extended this half a foot. When it's extended, it's a foot long. So, just a quick warn, yeah. Inside you get, of course, you get the paper outline of what's inside. They kind of print it out. So I actually keep it in there, and that was an accident to get it out. Okay. Gives you instructions here. How to install the batteries, how to use the sonic screwdriver, and stuff like that. As you can see there, it comes in a little small piece. It says Doctor Who logo on it. Anyway, let's crack on with the sonic screwdriver. First of all, this is the sonic screwdriver used by the 11th Doctor in Doctor Who. We don't know about the 12th Doctor yet, if he is going to use this sonic screwdriver, but soon it will be coming, because we have 23rd of November, it will be back on again. So anyway, yeah, it's nice detailed. It's just nice and detailed, very nice and detailed. It looks metal, but this looks plastic and metal at the same time. Different places. This obviously looks like plastic, and it looks like glass in the indicator, the green one. Yeah, all in all, that's pretty nice. And if you open the flap here, you get the scanner. Get a scanner button, just a big red button. That the Doctor never pressed once, otherwise the sonic screwdriver will explode. And yeah, it's got a line of when the sonic screwdriver's been fixed. This sonic screwdriver got eaten by a shark on Christmas. You're not meant to be like that. Anyway, let's crack on with the features. I can see here you got two buttons. One's for the flip to open, one's for the indicator to go. The bottom one is for the indicator to go yellow, go green, and makes a noise, this noise. Yes guys, I'm wearing a headset, so this is high pitch and low pitch one. And that's the one when it was broken, the shark ate it. And I'll try and do, yeah, seems to be the other one, unfortunately. Anyway, the top one flips. As you close it, as you get this, and you wrap it around so it's like that, and then you push down, right, left. Pause it quickly, guys. Anyway, guys, I'm back, and yeah, so the indicator's up, hold down, left, right, click in place. Then yeah. But one additional feature, when it's closed, you can use the red button. It makes the calling for the shark noise from the Christmas. Like that one. But the fact that I hate, when it's up like that, you can't use the bottom one here. Bottom one there. But you can only use this one. The red light, the red button. Like that. Or I like to do it like that. So yeah. So I really like that. To install the batteries, of course all you need to do like that, then install your batteries, 2-button batteries, yeah, basic batteries. Now I'm just going to struggle trying to get back on, start like that, done. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed, and this is my son's Good Drive the Toy Review. Bye!